Hey there, Mailchimp users and enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to put buttons side by side in Mailchimp. But before we jump into the action, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. And I'll keep you on the look for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, and we appreciate you all for your ongoing support and could now wait to embark on this journey with all of you on board once again. Okay, going back to putting buttons side by side in email campaign. So all you gotta do is go first to log in with your credentials because putting buttons side by side can enhance the overall aesthetic of your email, and they create a more balanced and visually appealing layout, making it easier for subscribers to navigate and engage with your content. Buttons are typically more clickable than text links, and when placed side by side, they can capture more attention and encourage subscribers to take actions, right? And it all allows you to highlight multiple calls to action or options in a single section of your email. And it can be especially useful when you want to present subscribers with different choices or pathways to follow. And many email campaigns nowadays are viewed on mobile devices and where space is limited. So side-by-side buttons can help you optimize your email for mobile screens, ensuring that your CTAs remain accessible and attractive to mobile users. By aligning buttons horizontally, you can create a cleaner and more organized email layout. And it can make it easier for subscribers to scan your content and quickly identify the actions they can take. If you have multiple offers, products, or services to promote in a single email, side-by-side buttons allows you to showcase them simultaneously. And it can help you maximize the visibility of your offerings. And side-by-side buttons can be customized to match your brand's colors, font, and styles, and it reinforces the brand identity and helps subscribers to recognize your emails more easily, right? So essentially, side-by-side buttons are versatile, can be, and it can be used for a variety of purposes, such as linking to product pages, social media profiles, events, or registration surveys, and more. And it can be a valuable tool for email marketers. So all you gotta do is create an email account here in Mailchimp, and once you log in with their credentials, all you gotta do is go to create email campaigns. So once you go to your email campaigns campaign builder, we'll get started. You will be given to the dashboard, and it will ask for a 121. This one, say go here, sign email, and then all you gotta do is choose the 121 1 is 2 to 1 column. Some of your subscription will require you to get a start free trial, or you can access it, depends on your subscription. But when we click preview, you see you have like a side-by-side buttons here that you can customize, and it's essential considering to your specific email design and content goals. And also, it determines whether this layout is the right choice for your campaign. So testing different layouts and designs can help you optimize your emails for maximum engagement and conversion rate. So that's it. That's the right way to put side-by-side buttons in Mailchimp. And once again, if you like this video, put a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have topics that you would like us to discuss, just leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.